Some pleasant, large rollers keep banging into us. Why not swearing? Makes you nervous?
No, I am recording.
What?
It's a movie.
Oh! Arr! Don't want me sounding like a pirate, do we? Yeah. Swearing is every word. Oi. Here comes another one. Woohoo! Ride a cowboy! Yeah.
Whoa. Well, this is what our seas are going between Mayreau and Tobago Cays. It's a rough ride. We're banging right into it. The waves are slowing us down to nothing. And we're taking water over the bow, and whoops, there's another one. So let's see what this is what we're seeing out the window.
Short period.
It's actually supposed to be a better day today, although it's supposed to actually be better tomorrow and Wednesday. So we'll do our long trips on Wednesday. Anyway, just wanted to show you the fun of being in a washing machine. Let's see. Whoa! Missed that one. It's pretty, but not the best. That's the island of Mayreau. Very nice island, nice people. Anyway. Just a little bit of a look at what our seas are like.